Stop! Don't paint shadows by hand. Instead, after you masked out your subject, create a new layer and change the blending mode to multiply. Now enable the eyedropper tool and sample a shadow on her body. Then hold Ctrl and click on the layer mask to make a selection and fill with the foreground color. Now go into Edit and choose Perspective Warp. Create a grid that loosely follows her body's perspective. Then click on Warp and try to match the background's perspective. Drag the shadow layer below your model. Now enable the brush tool and paint away imperfections or add missing areas. You can now go into Filter Blur Gallery and choose Field Blur. Drag the point below her feet and change the blur to 5. Then click on the top of the shadow to add a second point and increase the blur to about 26. Then create a layer mask and enable the gradient tool and create a black to white gradient to gradually reduce the shadow's opacity. Now unlink the layer mask and use the Move tool to reposition the mask.